pictures.
All right.
I'm going to have very short sweats on.
You know this is recording.
Alright, we are going around this man-made shithole, and we're going to catch a frog if you like it or not.
Maybe.
So sit down, shut up, and watch.
I mean, she's
How not to catch a frog.
she's already fallen in and scared one frog off, fell in, and scared another.
Yeah,
She's pretty much scared off of
and
it.
then I told him to turn the camera on.
So,
Yeah.
So,
this is just a continuation.
taping this because it is funny.
And I'm just a kid that they're paying to do this.
Yeah, we have to bribe this child, people.
But it's worth it.
Yeah. I can finally afford to get what I want after you pay me. That one?
Holy shit.
Thought I got one.
What?
Shit.
I scared one.
This sucks. We aren't getting
I
shit.
didn't even see that one.
Well, you gotta look closely.
No.
Dude, we just went turtle hunting yesterday.
I think our eyes are bad
Your
now.
eyes should be perfect at this point.
Yeah, we caught a turtle that was 7 inch by
4 inch.
7 inch by 6 inch.
Damn.
Pretty big turtle too. About 1.5 inches.
Yeah, and I caught it because Tina was afraid to get in the water.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
We were on our second round.
This is funny shit. This is funny shit right here. This is funny
She only
shit.
caught one turtle, people.
And it was puny.
I caught 5 of them. Oh, yeah. What now?
Hey, at least I caught my first one. I'll catch more this summer. Ow, that hurt.
Shush.
If I didn't
Frogs.
Come back.
Oh yeah, we got shush.
Hell.
Well, there just goes a fish.
Oh, screw the fish.
I want another one.
Like she said, what's this?
Yeah, I know. Deer have to drink shit water. Isn't it crazy?
I want a frog.
Bless America.
Our shit ass home.
Oh, fuck that shit. What about that George Bush song you guys made? Are you ever gonna record that?
That was funny.
Ever gonna record it?
I don't know.
Yes, soon.
Hopefully.
I'm a hick, y'all. One over there. Dude, there's one like right in front of me, too.
George Bush song. George
I
Bush
heard a laugh
song.
sink in.
George Bush song coming soon.
Nope.
There! Oh, come on, you dumbass!
I'm sorry, okay? You don't grab my shoes.
Hell no!
Grab my shoes.
What? I'm the cameraman!
There's like 3 of them over here. I am loving this.
Hey, I'm the cameraman. I can't carry your damn
Yes,
shoes.
you can. Loop them around your other arm or something.
Just let them sit there. We'll come back. We have to come back this way anyway.
Keep going. Shit.
We have to come back this
We aren't
fucking...
supposed to be doing this, people.
Shush, you did not see anything.
You guys don't know where we live, haha.
So screw you, people.
Right here,
Oh, cotton.
if you do know where you live,
Look at the
where
cotton
we
plant.
live, you people are like freaking stalkers. If you know where we live. What?
Unless you're my boyfriend.
Yeah, unless you're our boyfriend. Cloud, hi.
Tiana, my boyfriend.
They scare me.
Yeah, I should.
I found the stick. Look at the cotton plant. Look at it. Study it. Love it. Kill it. Look at her fat ass.
Yeah.
What the hell is she doing over there?